Before you start an LLC, there are a few mistakes that can cost you thousands of dollars in tax. And the crazy thing is, most people make these mistakes before they even make their first dollar in their business. They rush to file an LLC, they pick the wrong structure, they mix their business and personal money, and they assume an LLC automatically saves them money on taxes. But the truth is, an LLC by itself doesn't help you as much as you think it would unless you know how to use it correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make before starting an LLC, why starting an LLC too early can actually hurt you, the tax strategy most business owners miss, and what you should actually do before forming one. So if you're thinking about starting a business or an LLC, this video could save you lots of money. So I recommend you watch this before opening your LLC. And we have tons of LLC videos on our main page as well that you guys can follow along to create your LLC super fast and easy. So one of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is they start an LLC before they even have a business. A lot of people believe the first step to starting a business is filing an LLC, but in reality, the first step is making money from your business. So your number one focus should be finding customers, selling something, validating your business idea. Because if you start an LLC too early, like maybe before you've even created the idea for your business, you can create some unnecessary expenses. For example, you might have to pay an annual state filing fee, a registered agent fee, business licenses, accounting costs. And if your business never takes off from the beginning, now you've just created a bunch of expenses for no reason at all. A better approach to this is this. Start testing your business idea first. And once you start making a consistent income, then that's when you want to jump on making your LLC. Another huge misconception is that an LLC automatically reduces your taxes. And this is one of the biggest myths online. An LLC by itself does not reduce taxes. So by default, a single member LLC is taxed the same way as a sole proprietorship. That means your business income flows directly onto your personal tax return. So if your business makes $50,000, you pay taxes on $50,000. The LLC doesn't, magically change that. But where the tax savings actually come from is from the strategy. So, for example, S-corp elections, legitimate business deductions, retirement contributions, smart income planning. The LLC is just a legal structure. The tax strategy is what actually saves money. Another mistake new business owners make is mixing their personal and business bank accounts. And this is called commingling. And this is called commingling funds. And it can create two major problems. First, it makes your accounting an absolute nightmare. Imagine trying to figure out which transactions were business expenses and which were personal. Imagine how complicated that can get real fast. And second, it can weaken the legal protection your LLC provides. So one of the biggest reasons people form an LLC is for liability protection. But if you mix personal and business finances, courts may argue that your business was never truly separate. The solution is simple. As soon as you start your LLC, you open a separate business bank account. All of your income from your business goes there, and all expenses come from there. And when you pay yourself, you transfer money from your business bank account to your personal bank account. So it always keeps those two things separate. Another mistake people make is choosing the wrong state to register their LLC. You may have heard there are certain states that have more benefits, like Delaware, Wyoming, or Nevada, and they hear that these states are business friendly. But for most small business owners, this really does not make sense at all, and it's actually going to hurt you in the long run. So for example, if you live in Florida and you register an LLC in Wyoming, you usually still have to register as a foreign LLC in Florida. So now you're paying on fees on two states instead of one. So for most people, the best option is very simple. You form your LLC in the state where you live and where you operate your business. Another common mistake is starting an LLC without any clear plan. An LLC is not a business per se, it's a legal structure. You still need a product or service, you need customers, you need revenue, you need a strategy for growth. So think of LLC like a container. If the container is empty, it doesn't do anything. So once you start putting income inside of that container, then the LLC becomes valuable for liability protection business credibility, and financial organization. Now, here's the opposite problem. Some people wait too long to form their LLC. So once your business starts generating consistent income, that's usually the right time that it's time to form your LLC. So an LLC can help with things such as protecting your personal assets, opening a business bank account, building business credit, and looking more legitimate to clients as well. So the goal isn't to avoid forming an LLC at all, it's just to form it at the right time. So you want to make sure that it's when you've created your business, the idea has happened, you're making money, but that it's not too long that you're making money in your business before creating an LLC. So let's quickly recap the biggest mistakes to avoid. Don't start an LLC before your business idea makes money. Don't assume an LLC automatically saves taxes. Always separate your business and personal finances. Form your LLC in the state where you actually operate. And most importantly, remember that the LLC is a structure for your business. Your focus should always be on building a real business first. And if you're thinking about starting an LLC and want a simple way to get everything set up, click the links on our on our page. We have so many videos on how to set up an LLC super fast, super easy, and super cheap because I'm all about saving money, especially when you're just getting your business started. So if you guys like this video, please comment below and please subscribe. We do tons of videos on LLCs, on making money, and on how to properly structure your business. I hope to see you guys in the next one.